With my stove plug down here, I've mounted it way too high, and the reason for that is because normally at the back of the stove, there's a cavity that comes in so you can hide the plug and it doesn't stick out. So having it at that height, it's gonna be tough for me to push a stove right up against the wall. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to sit it down closer to the base plate. So the rule is it has to be, the center of that box has to be within 5 inches from the floor plate up. So what he told me was what people normally do is there's one 2x4 there, that's 1.5 inches. And then if you stack another 2x4 on top, that's 5 inches. I'm sorry, that's 3 inches. And then by the time you add the box down, it'll be perfect height. So that's what I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna stack a 2x4 on there and then mount that box directly down. Another thing is this box is more than is a 4-inch diameter. So anything that's 4 inches or more is gonna require fastening on the other side, so on both sides. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to build this out, put another 2x4 there so that I can secure this and there's not enough push there. Okay, so there's not too much movement there. Dryer, same thing, I have to move it downwards because some of these wires are actually super short. So I'm gonna move that further down. Yeah, so I'm moving a lot further down so I can control it later on. Or so that I can purchase a dryer, plug it in without having an extension.